Hello, my name is James Fisher, and I'm the training manager of the water program of the Infrastructure Training and Safety Institute of the Texas A&M Engineering Extension Service. I want to welcome you to the Certified Water Professional Recognition Ceremony. The Certified Water Professional was created by TEEX a little over 10 years ago as a way to recognize professionals in the water and wastewater industry. Previously, the only industry recognition you received was your state license. TEEX decided that needed to change with the CWP. The CWP takes industry experience, a state-issued license, and about 250 training hours to receive. It does not matter if you are only in one field. There are three pathways to the CWP: water, wastewater, or a combination of both. Today, we're here to recognize those individuals that have attained their CWP over this past year. I am now going to turn the program over to Steve Ash, the Water Training Coordinator. Thank you and congratulations.
Howdy. Welcome to the TEEX annual Certified Water Professional Recognition Ceremony. We're having this ceremony virtually this year because of the situation that we're in. We usually have this ceremony here at the Texas A&M Rellis campus in Bryan, Texas. But this year's annual school is virtual. So we have a lot of students attending the school, and I want to welcome you all. What we're going to do, my name is Steve Ash. I'm the training coordinator for the water and wastewater training program. What we're going to do today is we're going to recognize the certified water professionals that received their certification in the past year. And we're going to introduce them, and we're also going to tell you a little bit about the certified water professional designation and how you can become a CWP as well. When I think about the significance of having this certification, the importance is that while the state that you work in will issue you a license to practice your trade in the water and wastewater field, the CWP recognizes you for your ongoing professionalism, and it helps you to stand out as someone that has made this your career, and it's something that you take very seriously. As you may have heard, you have to go through a rigorous 260 class hours of training in water and wastewater, and also have experience, years of experience, to qualify for this certificate. One of the things that we were looking at in the TCEQ database is how many water and wastewater operators are there, and we're speaking mainly in the state of Texas. But as of this week, there were 15,940 licensed water operators, and there were 11,529 licensed wastewater operators. So you're thinking, well, man, there's got to be a lot of CWPs out there. The number, and my students from my class this week know what the number is. The number of CWPs in Texas now is 201. That's all. And so it's kind of some rare air when you're in that crowd, when you're in that group. So it is a privilege and it is a distinction. I received my certificate in 2014, and I was very proud of it. And I've been in the business for about 29 years, and so I got to take all these classes that are required. And when you get a CWP, when you receive that certificate, it's a very prestigious kind of moment. But that's not all you get is the certificate. What you're going to get is a patch for your jacket. If you wear a hard hat, which many of you do, there's going to be a CWP sticker that you can apply to your hard hat. And also a hat pin. For those of you that wear the ball caps, there's a hat pin. And there's also you're going to receive a challenge coin. So that is kind of all of it's all one package, and it's something that you really need to consider. And I'm going to tell you how you can look into that and get more information in just a little while. But now, let's congratulate and recognize the individuals on receiving their Certified Water Professional. Mr. Adekunle Alwahinmi. He is the Environmental Health and Safety Specialist with National Oil Well Varco Corporation. Miss Susanna Blake, Susie, she is with the City of League City, Texas. She is the wastewater superintendent there. She's also one of our very fine instructors here at TEEX. Mr. Gabriel Cantu, Engineering Inspector with the Engineering Capital Improvements Department of the City of San Marcos. Mr. Joseph M. Edwards, Utility Superintendent with the City of Hutto. Richard Harcrow, District Manager, Professional Utility Services Incorporated. Mr. Jody Hooks, he's also with League City, Texas. He is the Director of Public Works there. Stacy B. Johnson, he is the Assistant General Manager of Product Development System Controls with the Hearst Creek Municipal Utility District. Mr. William Marshall, he's an Operator Level 3 with the Gulf Coast Water Authority. Bob Neal, he's a Director of Public Works with the City of Mineral Wells, Texas. Mr. Eloy Saldivar, Recycle and Odor Control Technician 3 with the SAWS system, San Antonio Water System. Joshua M. Turknet, he's a Water Crew Leader with Mid-South Water Services. Mr. Nathan S. White, he's the President of Texas Operations and Professional Services. And John David Woodworth, he is the Water Quality Supervisor and Training Officer with the City of Mansfield, Texas. There are also others that had received their certification, and we weren't able to get their picture, but we do want to recognize them as well, starting with Mr. Dustin Blank, Mr. James Delton Bowles, Paul A. Bonaventure, Johnny Joe Chapa, Kevin Collins, Nathan Cotton, Sherwin Davis, Francisco Garcia, Ramiro Garcia, Justin Howard, Jason Hubble, Billy Massey, Ramiro Ochoa, Benjamin Robert Price, Ronald Rodriguez, Kyle Rowe, and Mr. David Lewis Sutton. So, I want to congratulate you all, and to all the CWPs out there watching today, thank you, and we're glad you took the time to join us. To the family and friends of these certified water professionals, I want to thank you as well. If you'd like to congratulate these individuals, feel free to leave a comment on the YouTube and tell them how much you appreciate their work. If you're a water wastewater professional today and you'd like to learn more about the Certified Water Professional Certificate, give our Customer Care Center a call at 1-800-723-3811, or you can visit us on the web at www.teeks.org/